Our journey begins with the humble battery, a ubiquitous object in our daily lives. What makes a battery work is a chemical reaction. In essence, a battery is a tiny chemical plant encased in metal. It contains two different chemicals, usually zinc and manganese dioxide, separated by a conductive material. When you plug your battery into a device, a reaction starts between the zinc and manganese dioxide. This reaction generates an electric current, which is what powers your device. Next, we turn our attention to the medicines that help us combat ailments. The foundation of all medicine is, you guessed it, chemistry. Most medicines are a mix of several different chemicals or compounds. Each compound is designed to interact with specific cells or proteins in your body. For example, pain relievers like aspirin work by blocking the enzymes that produce pain-signaling chemicals in your body, effectively relieving you of discomfort. Cleaning agents, another everyday product, also have chemistry at their core. The primary ingredient in most cleaning agents is a substance known as a surfactant. These surfactants have a dual nature. One part is attracted to water and the other is repelled by it. When you scrub a surface with a cleaning agent, the surfactants surround and lift away dirt and grease, making them easy to rinse off with water. To put it simply, batteries work by initiating a chemical reaction that generates an electric current. Medicines are mixtures of compounds designed to interact with specific cells or proteins in your body. Cleaning agents use surfactants to surround and lift away dirt and grease. So the next time you switch on your TV, take an aspirin or clean your kitchen, remember the fascinating science that makes these everyday actions possible. In conclusion, the world around us is a marvelous tapestry of intricate chemistry. So, the next time you casually use a battery, take a medicine, or use a cleaning agent, remember, you are witnessing a scientific marvel in action. The beauty of science is not just in laboratories and fancy equations, but in the everyday objects we use. So go forth, explore and marvel at the science in the mundane.